Santiago, why did you bring me to the Forbidden Forest? Because, Elsa, there's a hidden treasure in this forest, and you know we both love adventure. Not at the expense of my life, Santiago. Elsa, look! There's a princess hidden in the forest. Hurry, we have to help her. Okay, let's see what princess we got. Whoa, it's pink. Who is this? Ariel?
Ariel!
Okay, let's do a color reveal to figure it out. Okay, let's see if this is Ariel. We're going to put her in the water. Look, the water's turning pink. Okay, we got to shake her up, okay, guys? Okay. Look at the water. It looks like Kool-Aid.
Whoa.
Look, she's changing colors. Who is it? Ariel! She's so pretty. She's so pretty.